The eighth sign in the zodiac starts from 210 degrees to 240 degrees. The sign Scorpio is a fixed sign, watery, rises in the north, is female, is diurnal. Its color is light yellow or maybe a golden color. The ruling constellation Scorpio are Vishakha, ruled by Jupiter, Anuradha, ruled by Saturn, and Jyeshtha, ruled by Mercury. The combination of Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury, three major planets, compound a Scorpio, and Scorpions are having the qualities of a king. Jupiter gives wisdom, maturity, and Mercury gives intelligence. Because of its lordship by the Mars, they never let them know what's in their mind or what are they planning, what for they are pained, what for they are happy, and how they are going to be happy. Mostly with the stony face and very close to their partners, and they get very good life partners too. They are tall, handsome, presentable, good bones, fearless eyes you can find in Scorpions. They don't fear. As you see the Scorpio, lot of legs. It bites from the back, but they rise from the head. They are Shishodai, rises from the head. Normally, they have short and thick hairs. Scorpions are materialistic, intelligent, determined, good writers, good thinkers, leaders, and lead the public to a situation of positivity, collecting them for good cause or even destruction. They can lead the people to that end. Without any ethics, doing the deeds, cruelty is their part, and even the police can't find them. The way they plan, the witty mind, secretive, vindictive, inflexible, those are the negative qualities of his Scorpions. If I calculate a perfect Scorpion, then they can be good spies. You can't catch them. Good mimicry artists also are Scorpions. The body parts represented by the Scorpio are yours all genital and secretive parts. And the diseases they get also from the same part. If you look at their professional aptitude, good soldiers, good chief of the army staff, if conjoined somewhere with the moon, good surgeons, physicians, doctors, and sometimes because of the constellation of Jupiter, they go for natural sciences also. They are good botanists too. They can be good agriculturists. They will do some innovations if conjoined with Jupiter. If conjoined with Mercury, they can prove to be good industrialists. If conjoined with Saturn, they become very good soldiers, fighters, wrestlers, boxers. So they have got those Martialian qualities. Sign Scorpion, they call it as a sun sign Scorpion, starts from 24th of October to 23rd of November. They have described the Scorpions as witty mind, stony face, not smiling at all, thinking always in mind, work with the mind. Eyes can hypnotize anybody. Depth in the eyes, I think very rarely people can understand them. They are demanding, looking every relation, analyzing every relation for their utility in their life. If they want to help somebody, they are going to get out of it. The real kingly qualities, but for the benefit of not public, others, and some interest in them is their name and fame. Financials, of course, they bother much. They are materialistic. They love to have as much materials as they want, never satisfied with what they have. As the Shakespeare said, if you are not able to read the language of eyes of somebody, you cannot read them. But this fails with the Scorpions. You can never read their eyes, what's in them. Their determination is up to the zenith. Sky is the limit for their imagination. Very obsessive sign, single-mindedly work, doesn't take anybody's help, and rarely discusses with anybody what they are suffering from or how they are going to be happy. Reactions, retaliations are not quick, immediate, instant, but time bound. They fix up the time. When they are in war, they bother much about themselves first than about winning the war. They plan. They can retaliate. They can come back. After that, when they retaliate, then it is gruesome. It is lethal. Scorpions are very challenging, tireless, and love to work till their last breath. Or I can call them a soldier, loves to die in their boots. The tone of their speech is very soft, is husky. If a scorpion is speaking too much, walking briskly, mind you, they have got something in mind. They are remembering something of the past and trying to recapitulate what you have done with them. They are enjoying, but their mind is very serious. Most of the people are envious with them because with their stony face, gazy eyes, hypnotic eyes, they hide so many qualities, and not only qualities but planning of theirs, which make them a success in life or succeed in life or wins over their enemies. They have got numerous people, those who are envious with them, those who feel or treat them as their best enemies in the world. But if Scorpion is your friend, I think you are safe in life, because he is not only thinking about himself, put their life to danger so many times in life, but they come safe. Scorpions hate flattering. If somebody is behaving like with them, then they become furious or keep in mind and would love to keep away from them. They know how to make a distance with their own people too, by keeping mum or stony face and closing their eyes. The best way to deal with the Scorpion is praise them truthfully, say sorry or apologize sincerely, remind them again and again that the person is really apologetic. Then they are the best people to excuse you, to pardon you from any sin you have done to them in life. As per the Western school of thought, the Scorpions have been equated with the eagle or the lizard also. Eagle has got one quality, that is his eyesight or sighting the things from distance. They can be best astrologers. They can be best clairvoyants. Their intuition power is immense. You can't pose before like an actor. You have to be realistic before them. Scorpions rarely go to depression. But if they get a boss who is not capable, then they go under depression because they are not free to work. What they will do then? He is given a free authority to work. Scorpions are very loyal to the friends and his family members. Even if the bullets are being shot, I think they will put their chest in front of them. Like an army personnel, like a fireman guarding you out of the fire. They can jump to any fire to save you. Scorpions are introvert in love. Rarely can explain to the people around them that they love them. That's why their love life normally is not good. But if their partner can understand their hypnotic eyes, I think they are the best life partners. Scorpions are religious. They are orthodox. They are ruthless. They never accept any other religion than their own, and passionately concerned with their sex. They need a partner who can really cooperate with them. One very strange about the Scorpions, they believe in the rebirth, and it is astrologically proved or mythologically, philosophically proved that Scorpions mostly take rebirth in their family. That's why they are very well connected with the family, and they take birth in this life to do something good for the family or for the society. Scorpion men are very egoistic. They love the people around them to listen to him always, abide by his mind and planning, and loves only the way he wants to run the family, his wife and children, and not to be governed by anybody. If you don't agree to them, they are ruthless. Like a scorpion, they can lash you with their tail. In anger, they are not able to cope up with their natural qualities of a scorpion, being silent or a stony face. Then everything comes out of them. Scorpion men should take care of their anger and emotions to be within them. The scorpion woman takes care of the family very well. Is a furious woman if you touch their husband and children, but very greedy, loves to control everything, money, home under her control, and they ensure that their siblings are according to them, are looking like them, and working as per their wish and planning. When the scorpion women deal in the society, they love to be highlighted always. Not in beauty, in the views, in the planning. They love to have the kitty party the way they want. They are liberal in eating. They are not so religious. Believe in God, the orthodox norms. That's why they believe in themselves only. If you see a scorpion boss, you are a mess. If you are intelligent enough to understand what he means in his hypnotic eyes and the words he speaks, the meaning behind them, then you are a good employee for the scorpion. But he doesn't take a single second to fire you if he doesn't like. If you play against him, plan against him, to dethrone him, then you are gone. They are ruthless. They will plan and see that you don't have another boss ever in your life. As a soldier, as a chief, or as an army officer, if you accept their bossism.